Good day everyone, I'm Renzo Alanco from San Mateo Municipal College. So this is my final output in Integrated Corporate Communication. So today I will be discussing the different types of stakeholders in corporate communication.
So the first one is internal stakeholders are people inside the company. Communication with them is usually direct, formal, and focused on teamwork, productivity, and alignment with the company goals.
Here are the three types of internal stakeholders.
The first one is employees. Employees need regular communication from the company about policies, responsibilities, updates, and changes.
The next one is manager.
Managers act as both communicators and receivers. They pass down information from top management to employees and give feedback from the employees back to executives. In corporate communication, managers are key because they bridge leadership goals with employee actions.
The last one is the owners.
Owners or shareholders. Owners need clear, transparent communication about financial performance, risk, and growth strategies. These usually happen through annual reports, shareholder meetings, and official announcements. In this way, corporate communication builds trust and encourages continued investments. So the next one is external stakeholders. External stakeholders are outside the organization. Communication with them focuses on reputation, trust, and mutual benefits.
The first one is customers.
For customers, communication is about building loyalty and satisfaction. Companies use advertisement, social media, customer service, and feedback survey to engage with them. Positive communication enhances brand image and increases sales.
The next one is the suppliers.
Suppliers requires clear communication about contracts, schedules, and product quality. Corporate communication ensures smooth partnership, preventing misunderstandings and delay in operations.
The next one is investors.
Investors rely on transparent financial communication. Press releases, quarterly reports, and financial disclosure help build investors' confidence and maintain good relationship with banks and funding institutions. The next one is government and regulators. With the government, communication involves compliance, legal reporting, and public accountability. Companies use corporate communication to show they are obeying laws. So the last one is community and society. Communication with the community often happens through corporate social responsibilities or CSR programs, sponsorships, and public relation campaigns. The company shares its commitment to sustainability, job creation, and community development, improving its public image. In conclusion, we have seen that stakeholders, whether internal like employees, managers, and owners, or external like customers, suppliers, investors, the government, and the community, are all vital to a company's success. What truly connects them to the organization is communication. Clear, transparent, and consistent communication help build trust, align goals, and maintain strong relationships. To continue, the importance of stakeholders in corporate communication goes beyond simply identifying who they are. What truly matters is how the company manages its relationship with them through effective communication strategies. For internal stakeholders like employees and managers, communication ensures alignment. When employees clearly understand the company goals, policies, and expectations, they valued and motivated. Managers, on the other hand, act as channels of communication, turning strategies into action and relaying feedback back to leadership. For external stakeholders, communication builds reputation and trust. Customers rely on consistent messages about product quality and brand values. Suppliers expect open discussion about contract and timelines. Investors and creditors need transparent financial communication to feel confident about their support. The government requires compliance reporting, while communities look for responsible corporate behavior communicated through CSR initiative, and public relations.
Thank you everyone for your attention. I hope this presentation gave you a deeper understanding of what role of stakeholders in corporate communication.